Unboxing Killua from Hunter x Hunter. Let's go. Meron na tayong gun. Tapos ito si Killua kakarating ng Hindi pa ako umorder ng Kurapika tsaka ng Leorio eh. Pero tingnan muna natin ito. Okay. Alright, clamshell. What's inside? Siyempre merong dalawang effects. 4 na faceplate. Tapos yung buhok ni Killua na naka-lightning. And then 2, 4, 6, 8 alt hands. Check natin. Killua. So yung main figure. Plastic pa. Smell test. Amoy bago. Ayan, di ba? Sold. Alright. Picture natin.